Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Today we're going to make mugs, sublimation mugs, like on these mugs. So this mug is sublimation mug, and we're going to print. We're gonna sublimate this Duterte design. We did not design this one, just a disclaimer. So we're gonna make two mugs out of this. So this one I bought it in Amazon, while this one I bought it from a local friend, and we're gonna see the difference from Amazon and from the local warehouse that I bought here. Hang on guys and wait for the result. So guys, so this will be our design on the mug. So it's image from left side of the mug and the right side of the mug, and this is the center. So we have a template for this, and I'll show you how to do it, and stay with me. So I'm editing this in Photoshop. So the template for this is I measured the mug 9.5 with the width, and then the height is 3.5. So this one is 3.5, and the width is 9.5. That's in inches. And then I put a space here on the center, so the center is blank, and then the only side of the mug will be seen is here, and then here, and then this side is blank. But this one is in color gray, so the full mug will be on gray color. So we have a color here on the green. Okay, and you're gonna open a new one, and then we'll so since we are going to print on two mugs, so this is the size of the whole paper, and then I put the image on two sides. So then we need to cut this one off here, and then that's the one we're gonna put it in our design, and then we're gonna save this one. Just gonna make sure it's on the proper size. So it's supposed to be, this is the whole thing. I just put it on the side so that it's not gonna be difficult for me to cut. Or then I'm gonna save this as a JPEG, and then put it on my mugs folder, and then no, wait, I need to name it. Save as JPEG, and then save as print. Hello guys, so we're back here. So we already did wrap the mugs after cutting out the paper and printing it. So we're gonna put it on our mug press. So make sure it's on the middle or the center, and then we tape it with heat tape so that it will not be burnt, and set our timer to 120 seconds and for 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna wait and see the result. So as you can see, I have a list of settings there so that I will not forget. So 125 seconds is done guys, so we need to take off the design right now. So first take off the heat tape, The heat tape is very useful so that your design will not move and it will stay on your mug. And make sure guys to use gloves if you're using this, because this is very hot. I used these cricket tools to take off the heat tape, and it's much more easier to remove it because it's really hot. So just be careful guys. So this is the left and the right side of the tape. I added some image in the middle there, or as you can see in the center. And then after that, we need to cool it down, and you can also wipe it with some wet towel so that to remove all the smudges and all the dirt that sticks on the mug. Then it should be good. So, and then after that, this is the second mug that we bought from Amazon. The first one is from the local warehouse here. So we're just gonna compare which sublimation mug is better. So the same thing guys, same paper, same ink we used, and this mug from Amazon comes out really beautiful and really glossy. I think the mug from Amazon, which is branded Amuse, is much better compared to the local sublimation mug that we bought. As you can see from the local mug that we bought, the image is not that clear or not that vivid. So compare it side by side. The Amazon mug is much better. It's sublimated really well from the mug. Okay, so we're just wiping it guys with a little bit of water to cool it down and to remove all the debris and the dirt. Okay, so make sure it's clean, and before applying your sublimation paper on it, we wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol to remove all the dirt and to sublimate the image, or very good. Okay, so here is the side by side guys. As you can see, this is from the local warehouse and this is from the Amazon. So as you can see, the mug from the Amazon sublimated really good compared to the local warehouse that the mug came from. So which one is better for you guys? This is the from the local warehouse. Just comment which one is better, and yeah, as you can see side by side,